A historic visit, bridging decades of diplomatic distance. Nigerian President Bola Tinubu's visit to France was a landmark event. It marked the first visit by a Nigerian president in 24 years. This visit was highly symbolic. It showed the world that Nigeria and France are committed to strengthening their relationship. Tinubu's presence at the Elysee Palace underscored the importance of this visit. The visit provided a platform for open dialogue and renewed commitment. Both nations acknowledged the need to revitalize their ties. Discussions focused on key areas of mutual interest. These included trade, investment, and security. This visit was met with optimism from both sides. It signaled a fresh start for Franco-Nigerian relations. It also opened doors for future collaboration. The international community watched closely, recognizing the potential impact of this diplomatic breakthrough. Both countries expressed their commitment to a fruitful partnership. They aim to foster growth and stability in the region. This landmark visit set the stage for a new chapter in Franco-Nigerian relations. Economic cooperation was at the heart of Tinubu's visit. France is already a leading trading partner for Nigeria in sub-Saharan Africa. Tinubu aimed to attract even more foreign investment from France. He highlighted Nigeria's vast economic potential. Discussions focused on several key sectors. These included finance, solid minerals, and trade. Both countries recognized the opportunity to expand their economic ties. Tinubu emphasized Nigeria's commitment to creating a business-friendly environment. Several agreements were signed during the visit. These agreements will facilitate greater economic cooperation. They cover areas such as infrastructure development and technology transfer. These initiatives aim to boost economic growth in both countries. France expressed its willingness to support Nigeria's economic development. French companies showed keen interest in investing in various sectors of the Nigerian economy. This renewed focus on economic cooperation is expected to bring significant benefits to both nations. Beyond economics, the visit focused on strengthening strategic ties. Both countries acknowledged the importance of security cooperation. They discussed ways to address shared security challenges, including terrorism and organized crime. Food security was another key area of discussion. France expressed its commitment to supporting Nigeria's agricultural sector. The aim is to enhance food production and ensure food security in Nigeria. This collaboration is crucial given the challenges posed by climate change and population growth. Defense cooperation was also high on the agenda. France and Nigeria have a long history of military cooperation. Both countries agreed to explore ways to strengthen this partnership. This includes training, intelligence sharing, and joint operations. The two nations are committed to a multifaceted partnership. They aim to address a wide range of strategic challenges together. This strengthened collaboration will contribute to peace and stability in the region. Tinubu's visit to France carried significant geopolitical weight. It comes at a time when France is reassessing its role in Africa. France's traditional influence in Francophone Africa has waned in recent years. This has led France to seek new partnerships, particularly in Anglophone Africa. Nigeria, with its large economy and population, is a key player in Africa. France sees Nigeria as a crucial partner in its efforts to maintain its influence on the continent. This visit was an opportunity for France to reset its relationship with a major Anglophone African nation. The visit also highlights the growing importance of Anglophone Africa on the world stage. Nigeria's economic and political clout is increasing. This makes it an attractive partner for countries like France that are seeking to expand their global influence. The visit was closely watched by other African nations. It signals a potential shift in the dynamics of international relations on the continent. As France seeks to redefine its role in Africa, partnerships with key Anglophone countries like Nigeria will be crucial. This visit marks a significant step in that direction.
This is the journey to One Africa.